Hello everyone, welcome to our Maths Magic series. In this series we are teaching you how to do calculations very quickly. Okay, so we have started with multiplications episodes. In this first two episodes we have shown you how to multiply with a particular number. Okay, so now we will continue this further. In today's episode we are going to learn how to multiply numbers which are nearer to base. What are the base we are going to take? Those bases are 10, 100, 1000 and so on. So let us start with first very simple example. Suppose we want to find out 12 into 13. Both these numbers are nearer to 10. But we know this number is greater than 10 by 2 and this 13 is also greater than 10 by 3. Now listen, what you have to do exactly now. Whenever you see the cross addition 12 plus 3 or 13 plus 2, you get same answer which is equal to 15. So you have to write down 15 here. Okay, now since we have taken base 10, so 1 0 is there, so we will write down 1 0 here, and now you have to multiply these two numbers. So what is 3 2s are 6, so we get answer 156. You have to add both these numbers. So I think it is very easy. Okay, let us take some other examples. So 17 into 13, as we have done, this is greater by 7. Okay, and this 13 is greater than 10 by 3. Now see, as I said you, if you do the cross addition 17 plus 3 or 13 plus 17, 13 plus 7, you will always get same answer, and that is equal to 20. So we write out 20 here and we put 1 0. Why? Because we have taken base 10. Okay, now 7 3s are 21, so we will put here 21 and see, you get answer, it is 221. Okay, so this is the method. Now let us take one sum in which one number is greater than 10 and other number is less than 10. Now what you will do? Now this is 18, so this is greater by 8, but 9 is less than 10. So we will write down it is equal to -1, because 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. And now see, again the method will remain same. 18 minus 1 is 17. Or if you take 9 plus 8, it is also 17. We will put 1 0 here. Okay, but now see, this is positive, this is negative. When we multiply plus and minus, we get answer minus. So it is -8, and 170 minus 8 is 162. So in this way, you have to do the calculation. Now let us take the sums in which we have base 100. So this is base is 100. So we will write down three types of sums in which both the numbers are less than 100, both the numbers are greater than 100, and one number is less than 100, one number is greater than 100. Let us see how to do this multiplication. Now 97 and 93. We know 97 is 3 less than 100, so it is -3. 93 is 7 less than 100, so we write down here -7. Again same method, if you do like this 97 minus 7 or 93 minus 3, you get same answer which is equal to 90. Now because we had two zeros here, base is 100, so we will put 2 zeros here. And now minus into minus is again plus. So we will add this number and we get answer 9021. So see, it is so simple. Let us take an example in which both the numbers are greater than 100. Now see, this is 104 into 107. Now this number is greater than 100 by 4. And this number is greater than 100 by 7. So we write down +4 and +7. Again see the cross addition. This is 111. If you count this also 111. So we will write down here 111. We'll put 2 zeros as usual. Why? Because the base is 100. And now what is 7 4s are 28 and both are positive. So we will add both the numbers and we get answer. Final answer is 11128. Now in this example, we will take one number which is greater than 100 and the other number which is less than 100. By how much this is greater than 100? So we will write down this is +8. By which number this is less than 100? So we will write down -7. Okay, now again same thing. 108 minus 7 is 101. Even if you add 93 plus 8, it is also 101. Okay, now as usual we will put two zeros. Why? Because the base is 100, we have two zeros here. Now 8 sevens are 56, but note that this is plus, this is minus, so we will subtract 56. And when you subtract, whatever is your answer is the multiplication of 108 into 93. So let us subtract this. This is 4, this is 4, 0, 0, 1. So this is your final answer. Okay. Let us take some examples which has base 1000. Now here again we will have three different examples, in which first example where we have both the numbers which are less than 1000. Then in second example we will take both the numbers which are greater than 1000, and in the third example we will take one number which is greater than 1000 and one number which is less than 1000. Now note here, if you do this in the normal way you will require lot of time, correct? But let us do it very fast. Now this number is less than 1000 by 4. This number is less than 1000 by 12. Okay, so the method will remain same. So if you subtract 12 from this, or if you subtract 4 from this, your answer will remain same. So it is 984. Okay. Now since the base is 1000, we will put 3 zeros here. Now minus into minus is plus. So we will add, what is 12 fours are 48. So final answer is 984048. So see how quickly you can do such difficult multiplications also. Let us take an example in which we have both the numbers which are greater than 1000. So one number is 1009, any number we can take, and suppose second number is 1012. Now this number is greater than 1000 by 9. So we write out plus 9 here. This number is greater by 12, so we will write out 12 here. Now same method, add this number and this number, or this number and this number, you will get same answer. And what is that answer? 9 plus 12 is 21. So this is equal to 1021. Now if you done, we have to put 3 zeros as usual. Now what is 12 nines are? It is 108. So we write down 108 here and we add. See, we get answer 1021 so easily. Now in this example we have a one number which is greater than 1000 and one number which is less than 1000. So now this number is greater by 7, so we will write down plus 7. This number is less by 5, so we will write down minus 5. Okay, now the method will remain same, cross addition. So 1007 minus 5 is 1002. Even if you add these two, you will get same number. Okay, we will put 3 zeros here. Why? Because base is 1000. Now this is plus, this is minus. So when you multiply, you get minus. What is 7 5s are? It is equal to 35. And now let us subtract. So we get answer. And this is the final answer. I hope you have understood this method properly. Please do practice. It is going to help you in your calculation. Okay, and wait for many more such episodes. Thank you.